In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bank rules to automate your bank account reconciliations in Xero. This is an essential skill for anyone managing finances using Xero, as it saves time and reduces the potential for errors. Let's dive in and streamline your reconciliation process together. First things first, you need to log into Xero accounting software. Navigate to the login page where you will see the option to enter your email address and password. Once you've entered your login credentials, click on the login button and you'll be directed to your Xero dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look for and click on the bank accounts section. This is where all your linked bank activities are managed. Within the bank accounts page, find the bank rules tab. Bank rules in Xero are a powerful feature that lets you set up automatic matching rules for transactions, saving you the hassle of manually matching transactions. Click on Create Rule to get started with setting up your bank rule. At this point you have several options. You can choose to create a rule for spending money, receiving money, or transferring money. Each of these options allows you to customize the rules according to the specifics of each transaction type. For today's video, we'll focus on creating a spend money rule. Now with the spend money rule selected, move on to the section where you can apply this bank rule. This area lets you specify criteria such as the payee, reference, amount, or any other condition that should trigger this rule. Fill in these necessary details and tailor them to suit your business needs. With all fields appropriately filled out, take a moment to review the details. Once you're confident everything is in order, click on the Save button. This action ensures that your rule is active and ready to automate the reconciliation of relevant transactions. The next step is to navigate to your Reconcile Items screen. Here you can view your bank transactions and apply the bank rule you've just created. Select a transaction that matches the criteria you set in your rule. If everything has been set correctly, Xero will automatically suggest the rule as a match, significantly speeding up the reconciliation process. To finalize, simply click on OK to confirm the reconciliation. With that, you've successfully automated a transaction using bank rules in Xero. Repeat the process for other transactions to maximize efficiency. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward method to automate your bank account reconciliations using Xero's bank rules. Implementing this in your daily workflow can greatly enhance your financial management processes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this session helps make your tasks a little bit easier.